Welcome everyone. I'm going to give you a brief description of what mail merge actually is. I need to move this little thing out of the way here. Okay, mail merge, the actual definition is it's the automatic addition of names and addresses from a database to letters and envelopes in order to facilitate sending mail, especially advertising to many addressees. Actually, you can use it for many more things than just mailings. Okay, and here's an example. Assume you're working for a travel agency and you must send out personalized reservation confirmation letters to each of the cruise ship's 2,000 passengers. It would be foolish to attempt to try to type out the letter 2,000 times. MailMerge allows us to type out the basic form letter once and then automatically insert the changeable information like in people's addresses, names, what cabin number, what reservation number. So here's how to make effective use of MailMerge to do that. Alright, first thing you need to do is to type out the reservation confirmation letter. That's the form letter that's going to be sent out to each of the 2,000 cruise ship passengers. And when you do your assignment, I will give you the letter. I'll show you exactly what has to be typed in the letter. So once you've typed out this basic form letter, notice that there are no names or addresses or any personalized information in here. Not yet. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I will be giving you the information you need for the changeable information that's there. Okay, so let's assume for MailMerge you've typed out the basic form letter. The next step in MailMerge is you'll need to open up the database of passenger information. Now I'm going to provide you with an Excel file that has all the people's names, addresses, and so forth. Now in our exercise, we're only going to do 3 passengers. We could do it as easily for 2003 or 30,003. But the database gives the people's names, address, street, city, state, cabin, and so forth. This is all the changeable information that's going into the letter. So, and I will give you that file, that access database. Okay, next step is, the next thing is we will insert these red codes for where we want the changeable data to go. So for example, you're going to open up your letter and then you're going to insert the name code where the name goes, the street where the street goes, the city code and the state code and so forth. You insert these codes in the place in the letter where each changeable piece is. In other words, the different data for each customer or cruise ship passenger. Step 4 is we're going to merge the letters with the data. Now, when you do that, I need to stress to you one thing, that when you go to merge the letters together with the data, there's a mail merge step that says complete the merge. And when you click complete the merge, it doesn't really complete it. You have to click on this button that says edit the individual letters. And if you don't do that, the merge is not complete. So don't be tricked by that. When you merge the letters, after it says that it merged them, it didn't really, you'll click on this edit the individual letters button that I'm trying to show you right, oops, I'll move this, right here, this edit the individual letters. Now, once you do that, then you get a box that comes up, says, do you want to merge it into a new document? Yes, you do. So you click the OK button. And at that point, then truly they merge together. You get a letter for each passenger on the ship, and each passenger letter will have the right name and address, the right salutation, dear so-and-so, the right cabin number, and then it'll go to the next one. The next passenger's name and address, dear so-and-so, and what their reservation number is. Then the next passenger's name and address and their information. So when you're done, you will have, in our demonstration here, we're only doing 3 passengers on the ship. Obviously, we don't have time to do 2,000. So when you're done, you will have 3 completed letters, and you would then save those letters, and that is what you would send me to submit for your assignment 8. Now this is a quick explanation of what mail merge is. Now the next step is to actually do a mail merge. So you'll be going to the next video which shows you how to do the very mail merge assignment you're going to do for assignment 8. Okay, so go on now to the next video that shows how to actually do assignment number 8. Thank you.